Hey all, wanted to do a quick overrun of something I got going in the garage here. You see here I've got an old car stereo hooked up to some old home theater speakers. What happened in my garage, I had one of those old ginormous big home theater receiver type units and had that going on close to 20 years, and finally it decided to take a crap on me and basically tell me it was done. So I like my music a lot, and I did some searching on YouTube trying to come up with something that home music whatever, and came across a series of videos where basically you take an old car stereo such as this and hook it up with a power supply where you can plug it into the AC outlet of your house. Well, as you know, car stereo stuff runs on DC. So what I found going through my piles of crap was this old power supply that was for a TV, and looking at the input output on it, on DC output is 12 volts to 3 amps. Well, that's more than enough to power a car stereo. So I figured, why not give it a shot? So hooked up some leads, stripped the power supply, hooked the excuse the green duct or the green electrical tape. That was just something to just see if it worked. Yellow and red together on red, black on black. You know how it all goes. You guys been around the block a couple times. And turned on the stereo, it came up. This was a Pioneer unit I pulled out of a truck that I had, and I don't remember why I pulled it out, but it worked fine. But again, I upgraded. I've even got another car stereo on the top of the garage with speakers from previous vehicles. So then I used the old home theater speakers, the KLH. Ohm wattage, or what they're rated at ohm wise, I don't know. They recommend anywhere from 4 to 8 ohms for resistance on home theater speakers. Again, it's like I don't feel like taking it apart. I figure I just plug it in, see what happens. And just like using your speaker outputs, had some old wire, butt connectors, plugged it all up, zip tied it all. And with my collection of miscellaneous whatnot over the years, I had an old antenna that came off a piece of heavy machinery. Screwed that down. I picks up radio signals just fine like it is, so if it works, it works. But yeah, this is all just crap from laying around the garage. An old iPod with some music plugged into the input of the car stereo, and it charges the iPod, so hey, it's win-win. Load it up with all my music and play away. The neat thing about this is that this is loud. I mean ridiculous loud. I've already been scolded by the wife because she heard it in the house, and our garage is separate from our house, with the windows closed over the TV. So yeah, that's it can definitely get me in trouble. But like, again, I like my music, and I really like my music loud, just because I'm old and deaf. But yeah, very easy. Probably took me about, I don't know, probably half hour to scavenge everything together, and screws to mount the antenna, and then kind of like trying to figure out something to mount the power supply, and I found this old bracket. Just cut the end of it off, screwed it to the side of the speaker, and it holds it in place. So neat thing is that I can actually unplug this, take it to work with me, and use it at work as like a little mini boom box of sorts. So maybe I'll just fabricate some type of handle going across it, and I can carry it around and look even more dumb than I already do. But yeah, I'm sure you guys got plenty of crap laying around the garage and do something like this and throw something together. Curious to see what you got. So thanks for watching, and if you got any questions, let me know. Later.